ain't too much sadder than this. Because of the clowns, when there's no one around. Here come the clowns. There's some sad things known to man, but ain't too much sadder than the tears. Because of the clowns, when there's no one around.
Contrary, doing it different.
Here come the should've sat my ass down. What I go and do? Stand up, knowing at the end of my bit you wouldn't laugh much. Still you stayed to the end as I greatly failed. Guess I should've left the funny shit to Dave Chappelle. Life can be cold in the town. I just wanna turn that frown to a smile. I just wanna take this mic and get down. But everybody's looking like I'm kidding around. It went way too far at the expense of your heart. Seemed like the whole world laughed when I ripped it apart. Except you, who took offense to my silly remarks. Now I see the light as I sit in the dark. Got your mean face on, no love, I can sense it. Offending y'all niggas when I talk Michael Richards. Why so serious? Mr. Fleck with a couple cards missing out the deck. What a joke.
No one's even laughing anymore. Everybody's walking to the door. Still you're making jokes. What for? No one's even laughing anymore.
What's everybody eyeing me for? Is this thing on? I was trying to perform. Now they're getting up and walking right out the door. 84, a comedian died in New York. Prior to setting fire, eyes red as a fox. Quick from the hip, always ready to box. The wise guy. What do you mean I'm funny? Where I'm from, it's not always sunny. Maybe I can entertain you or something and get discovered and be living in color like Kim and the Brothers. Take my show on the road, all around the world. Same old song, all about a girl. I know nothing if there's something I know. I swear I never meant to make you the butt of my jokes. These dirty punchlines, only ones that I wrote. Now I'm King Pagliacci over drums and the notes. Oh.
No one's even laughing anymore. Everybody's walking to the door. Still you're making jokes. What for? No one's even laughing
They're
anymore.
all gonna laugh at you. Miss Carrie, I'm sorry I was laughing too. Hail Mary, material I had was new. Real edgy, I've turned into a massive Scrooge. Bill Murray. This act is getting boring. People in the back snoring like Bill Cosby was performing. I just wanted everybody applesauce, mass applause. Time short as Kevin when I had your heart. Played it to the beat of a dark comedy. Laughing, that's the only option I see till there's no more sobbing. Life is funny for a long ass time, then you're gone. George Carlin.